Hey my babies, it's Diamond with Diamond Takes Life, and if you'd like to see how I install this beautiful half up, half down crochet style, stay tuned. Hey my babies, it's Diamond with Diamond Takes Life. Oh, my hair is everywhere. Everywhere. So what you're gonna see in this video, I'm gonna do my hair. It's another hair. It's a hair tutorial, duh. We're gonna get it popping. So in this particular video, I'm going to, as I probably said before, when I was a little badder, because now I'm looking rough, but we're gonna get there. Because guess what? We can be here, or we could be. Because I can be here, or I can be. I can be here, or I can be. Alright my babies, let's get into it. I'm starting off with some Freetress. I never say that. Freetress. I call it Freetress, all type of stuff. I've been using this hair for years. If you probably can go back to another video that I may have done with a similar crochet hair, and I talked about Freetress hair, but I used what was that? What's that hair called? Slipping my mind. Sorry, can't think of it right now. But I know that I talked about Freetress. It's one of my favorite brands for crochet hair, especially big curly hair. And I'm using the wave pattern deep twist at 22 inches. This is 1B and 30, and then I also have a pack of all 1B. And what I'm doing in this particular video, as I probably said before, I'm doing a half up, half down style. This is my first time ever doing it. I have seen a few other ladies do this type of style, but I'm going to put my own twist on it using different products, using my favorite product ever right now. Like, I love this. Oh my gosh. I'm going to do a video how I lay my wigs, but that's for a future video. But I love this. This is a holy grail. I've never used the gel, so I can't speak for it. But this is wonderful. Like, this is God saying this was dropped from the heavens. I'm sorry. I got a mirror right here, so it's, y'all know me. I get distracted. Anyway, this was God saying, and I love this. So anyway, let me get to the point. So I'm gonna start crocheting this in just a little bit. I'm not gonna do it on camera. If you watch my hair tutorials before, you know that I'm not gonna do all this because it takes forever. But I'm just gonna crochet a few pieces in, okay, just to show y'all how I started off. I am leaving the hair long. I'm not gonna cut it in half or anything like that. And I'm gonna install this, and I got the color 1B and 30. Did I just say that? I think I said that. But I got 1B and 30 because I wanted a little color, and I think gold is my color this year. So they didn't have 27, so I feel like 30 would do. But I'm gonna start off by crocheting a little bit this end, so keep watching. Got my tools so we can get it popping. Okay, I'm going to start off by showing you the braiding pattern. I did braid from top to bottom and connected the bottom of the braids. I am going to crochet medium-sized pieces from the top to bottom. I crochet it through and lock it about 2 to 3 times just to secure it. You see me? I will space them a little far apart because it is bigger pieces as you complete the back of your head. Okay, I'm finally done with the back. Got that all crocheted in. Okay, you see your girl. Alright, so let's move on to this front. So for the front part, because I'm natural, I decided to use a combination of 3 different things. So these are the 3 products that I'm using. First, I'm going to use Edge Control, Eco Styler Gel, and that's got to be blue. What this does, it freezes your hair. Okay, I'm going to start off with a scrunchie and the edge control. I'm going to put the edge control along my hairline, a very generous amount. This is what really lays the natural hair down. Also, my hair was pre-stretched by braids as well. I'm taking the Eco Styler Gel and putting it along the part in the back of the section that I have. And then I'm just going to brush that all together and get it really sleek. You need your really good brush for this too. Okay, as I get this real sleek, I want to tie that hair down in the back so it doesn't get in the way of what you're trying to do with the top part of your hair. I do put the Eco Styler Gel above the edge control at the front, and I'm going to brush that up a little bit better, okay? Once you get that good and slick, how you like it, get that scrunchie and just secure your ponytail at the top. Now I'm going to get my Got To Be Glued, and I'm going to spray that area really, really good and get you a blow dryer and a comb as well. And it's going to help you really freeze that spray in place. And you can just use a little bit more if you like. I use a generous amount and try to get my hair as slick as possible, because as you're holding the blow dryer along your hair, oh, look at me two-step. It's really going to freeze that hair in place, and it leaves a nice shine behind as well. So this took me about maybe 5 to 10 minutes because I kept spraying more and more. With my natural hair, it curls up, so I wanted to definitely try to freeze it before I had an opportunity to revert back. I really was turning up, huh? Alright, from here I'm going to braid that hair left out. Now it's something different that I did. I braided it into one braid on this part, which if your hair is thin enough, then you can do that. For me, that really didn't work very well. I had some pieces coming up, so I got back to the drying. But me braiding it into one didn't work well, so I did go back and change that and split that into 2 braids. I'm going to start to crochet the hair in, but as I said before, I do change it off camera because I had to stop. I went to Bible study, so sorry. But I start to crochet that hair around the braid. You can do it within the scrunchie, within any parts of the braid. Just get it covered by the crochet hair. I did have a little piece, as you can see, pop out, and I just crocheted that down as well. That was one of the reasons why I decided to change the braid, because it just wasn't working right in my mind. As you can see, I did come back and change it. I had crocheted a lot more hair in it, but you just continue to crochet the hair into the braid or ball, however you decide to secure your hair at the top until it's as full as you would like it to be. It could be thinner or fuller, or it's just upon your preference. Alright, so at this point I was going to start to wrap the hair around. I used 2 medium-sized pieces, and I put 1 piece at the very bottom, and then I wrap that part up. Now I did wrap it really close together just to secure it, as you can see, and then as it gets thinner on the ends, I just wrap that around really good and wrap down. So the next piece I'm gonna, oh yeah, I took a little piece out the ponytail as well. The next piece I'm gonna crochet in kind of at the middle part, yeah, and then I twist it down just to secure it in the opposite direction, twisting it down the ponytail. So after I get that secured, I move on to my edges. Girl, you gotta have them edges laid, and that edge control is Ebin. I put the description in the description box. It is my favorite. It has my edges laid all day. And if you tie it down, it kind of helps freeze it a little bit more as well. So at this point, I'm pulling that ponytail to the side and looking at the ends. I am going to cut off the straggly ends of the ponytail and just shape it up a little bit to fit my face and fall the way that I would like it to fall. There you have it, you guys. A beautiful half up, half down crochet ponytail style. I want to thank you so much for tuning into my video and watching me slay this look. Okay, honey? This is your style. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you do this style, don't forget to tag me in it. It is a different way that I wanted to incorporate without using weave, and something that's easy and you can go ahead and put it in and be fly. You know what I'm saying? And also, don't forget the holy grail, to lay that natural hair down, boo, okay? Because this would not be possible without this, okay? So they need to endorse me. Alright, but thank you so much, my babies, for watching.